Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin and guys, how cool. Happy Mail is here. We have some Happy Mail from Chubgirl and from Chubgirl. Is that what it's called? Hubman and Chubgirl. So cute. It's from Toronto with love, which I think that is so cute. I didn't know that that's where they were stationed. But let's go ahead and open this up. The packaging is beautiful. And I didn't know I got so much stuff, but here we are. Even this is so pretty. Like, I think I would have to use this in my junk journal. Oh, cute. I didn't know it came in these. All right. So, this is the subscription. I don't know what I did. So, there was a sale somewhere, and I just said, yes, please. I think it was $17. I got it. And this is, it comes with a discount code, actually, which is pretty cool. So, I'm going to use that after I see how I like the quality and stuff like that of these stickers. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Oh, okay. So I like the packaging so far. Very practical. It gives me a place to store all the things, which is always nice. So we have die cut stickers of lemons and blueberries. We have a notepad. Let's see if it's sticky. See if it's a post-it note or if it's just a pad with no stickiness. Either way, it's cool. So no sticky, which is okay. I need things that just are for notes. And then we have these. This is, ooh, this feels nice. These are pretty thick, these stickers, but that's okay. This is a Blueberry Harvest. So we have 3 sheets of decorative stickers. So how cute. We have the background, which is so pretty. I don't know if I'll be able to use it, but I love that. Aesthetically, it looks very nice because these have a white background. So you don't have a yellow background on your sticker, which is nice. I like that. And it looks like the cow has blueberries in their picture. They do have some lemons, really nice. And then we have some lemons, some lemonade. I love it. So cute. Lemonade stands. Then we have some lemon pie, some blueberries on some pie. We have some blueberry drinks, a tart, some type of fruit, I think. That's beautiful. I love it. All right. And this is as soon as the day grow longer and the skies line brighter, I find myself craving all things summery. Me too. So, and this is cute. This is just a letter from them, which is adorable. More things to use. And this is all in, I believe each one of these is a kit. And this is a variety sticker pack. More lemons, and this has some gold foil. Now we have blueberries with some gold foil. Clear stickers that you can line your page with that are transparent. It's nice. I like the way they feel. And this is washi material, so it's also transparent as well and thin. We have some icon stickers. Oh, we have, it looks like emojis. We have angry, happy, winking, content. I normally use the ones where the eyes don't show, because when I smile, normally my eyes disappear. It's kind of wild. And this has some gold foil on it, which is kind of nice. These feel like they're transparent too, actually. Ooh. And then these have some holographic glitter on it. And it has lemonade. Oh, do you put the lemonade stand stuff on it? You can add the lemonade stands. It fits perfectly. How cute. Very nice. So I love these. The reason why I got this is because in my Archer and Olive planner, I tend not to decorate or use boxes for the most part. I say that now, and then my last plan with me, I put boxes and I use them and they were cool. But normally I don't use boxes in that planner. So I was like, maybe the Hubman and Chubgirl stickers would go and work lovely in that type of planner. So that's the reason why I got it. And I think these are just the sticker packs, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really know the differences. Like I said, I was like, ooh, this is part of their subscription. So I got the $17 one, which is kind of nice. At least I think it was on sale. So this is so cute. I did see someone use these and I fell in love. I love the little caterpillars and the little worms. This I know is a notepad, which is nice. And then we have some icons, butterflies. I love it. And the bees. I want something with like all the bees. We have some, oh my God, a mosquito, some ladybugs, ants. Too cute. And then again, cute critters. And we have another poster, another card. Now, what I will say is I may want to like collect these. I think this is so pretty. And I don't want to throw them out, but then I don't want to like just have it nowhere, right? Maybe I can find a way to use those. That's pretty. I will say that this paper, so I'm a texture person, and this paper, it makes you just want to like rub on it. I don't know why, but it feels good to touch. And then we have these stickers to go with it. This is the variety pack. Let's open this one up. And I was not planning on doing a plan with me, but it makes me want to do a plan with me, guys. So here goes the holographic stickers in this one. These are not see-through. We have some stamps with the sleeping caterpillar. So pretty. Hubman and Chubgirl. We have some arch decorative boxes with scenes on them. They have gold foil as well. We have some washi stickers. These are not strips this time, so I like the fact that they give you something different. Then we have these, and again, I think it'll be cute to like put it in a frame. You can put something in a frame here, which is very cute. Or if you are good with the craft knife, you can cut this out and then like add your note afterwards if you don't know what you want to add. Or if I'm not mistaken, this one, I got this one because this is a alcohol based, is that right? Water resistant, waterproof on paper. I believe this one you can write on, my goodness, on transparent stickers. I will try that one day if I remember. And then we have these little strips of cuteness, a little bit of each of these animals, and then we have these cute postcards. Ooh, these are thick. These are really thick. It says assorted material. I don't know what material this is, but this is a thick mama, a thick sticker. And if you want, I would say to like take off a little bit of the stickiness because it's like really sticky. I like it though. All right. And again, I would love to use that. Just like that is so cute. There's like no there's so much things to use like in your junk journal, and there's no junk, right? How cute is that though? It's stinking adorable. So let's throw away these things because we don't need them and we have places for this to stay. So if you want to see me use these, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be using these in my next plan with me for my Archer and Olive. Oh my goodness, my Archer and Olive planner. Because again, I use that very functional, and I think that because of the size of these stickers and the fact that there's no boxes, it will have me feel comfortable doing the thing. What was the thing? Using them and making something cute in my planner and not taking up any, there's not taking up any functional space. My goodness, my words are escaping me. They do not want to return. They're being evil. And as you guys know, a mommy of a newborn, I don't have much time. And this video, I feel like I am taking so much time to remember words. So disrespectful. But I love these little pockets. I like the fact that it comes with it. So I feel like that also adds to the value. And if I get a 6-ring binder, I can hold these in very well and keep them with the sets. Yeah. So I'm really, really happy with my purchase. Thank you so much for you guys joining me on this haul. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys in my next one when I use these products for the first time. See you then, guys. Bye now.